I just wanna feel real love, feel the love that I live in. Boom, 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 boom. And I said, God damn, that Bible pushing man. But yeah. Okay, people, how the fuck are you? Yo, yo, ABOB, how are you, man? So yesterday's goal long was a bummer, right? Damn it. Sometimes that happens, right? Goal failed to fill me by, I don't know, 15 to 20 pips or so, or 5 pips, I don't know. But yeah, it smashed targets. Um, God damn. It's fine. On to the next one. On to the next one. So, let's see what we can get going on. Oh yeah. So looking for Poundian longs, to be completely and utterly honest with you. On the 3 minute chart, we get that. So, bum bum. If you want to chat, be with me. Just subscribe to the channel. That's all you need to do to be able to chat. Just subscribe to the channel. That's it. It's free. Just click the subscribe button. For fuck's sakes. Massive imbalance here on the Poundian. Let's see if we have some news, right? Coming on. I haven't checked the economic calendar. Um, yeah. Where is it? Forbes Factory, right? Um, I pay for this live squawk thing, but I hate their calendar, so I still check it on Forex Factory. I'm gonna show you the calendar. All right, so we have what do we have here? We have nothing today, uh, but this is live squawks, calendar. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. Oh, we had core retail sales like 30 minutes ago. There's absolutely nothing going on here on the market. I mean, it's been just have a look at this guy. It's super choppy. I mean, what? How can you trade this? I'm not gonna burn money, right? By trading these ranges, right? What? Now that we have a breakout after this fakie, right? On the pound yen, for example, right? If we look at it on liquidity, right, terms, then um, I hid the favorites here on my favorites. Oh, here it is. Now I have to move it. No, I like to move it. You like to move it. So, if we look at it on terms of liquidity, why don't we do that? Because that's what I trade. Here we have the last sweep of the lows right here. If you notice, yep, right there. So equal lows, right? Equal lows creates liquidity. Here's one. Here's the other one. Here's another one, etc. Then we have the last sweep of the lows. Now that's cool, right? We found the liquidity sweep or the bear trap in this case. And then if we look at the last high or the next high, then this is my market structure shift. changing character, whatever the fuck you want to call it, MSS. I like to call it market structure shift. So this is the structure I'm trading, right? This is the structure I'm trading in this market. How are you, mate? I'm fine. Travel addicted. This is the structure I'm trading in this market. So why would I place a trade here, right? Why would I place a trade here? I have no direction. I have zero direction, right? This is choppy as fuck. And then, I would be gambling. I would be gambling. Now that I have my setup complete, I'm going to trade the pullback. It's as simple as this, right? It's all about waiting for your opportunity. And if there is none, then you place no trades. Imbalance. Right there. So, I'm going to place a trade. But before I do that, let's find targets right here. This is a 15-minute chart on the pound yen. And we have big ass liquidity zone here. Boom, equal highs around it. Yep, there you go. Something like this. All right, cool. So here's that 15-minute liquidity zone. All right, so I would be very keen on placing this trade. It's as simple as this. Below the structure low, here is I'm gonna show you, and then boom, targets. You know, I'm gonna do this instead. This is a strong high. No, it's fine. I'm gonna do that. Strong high. It's okay. So a 3R, not the best risk to reward ratio, but still massive enough that I'm willing to trade it. Right there. So the 5-minute chart. It's as simple as this, guys. I mean, if there's no trade, there is no trade. If there is no trade, there is no trade. Structure low. Boom. Zone. I don't do this, but I'll do it for you. Structure low. There you go. It's as simple as this. So I'm going to go to my MT5. My challenge account. And go to the pound yen. And place a fucking trade. Please look at gold. No. I'm not trading gold today, mate. Don't get caught in FOMO, right? That's a good way of getting fucked. Don't get caught in FOMO. You're not. I mean, you already missed yesterday's move, so just wait for a pullback. I am most definitely not trading gold today, so don't even ask me to look at that market. Buy limit on the pound yen. Ooh, that's a big imbalance. So I might get some drawdown on my position, but that's fine. And liquidity here on the upside for a 3R. I like to move it. There you go. What the fuck? There you go. So I have OCD with round numbers, as you already know. That's fine. I want a 3R. Boom. And of course, sending this to my VIPs. GBP Japanese yen. It's a buy limit. So it's a 3R, risk is 0.5%. No, a 3R, risk is 0.50%. And boom, there you go. Hola, parce, ¿cómo estamos? Yeah, sure. I can check USD CAD. Wouldn't it make more sense for the stop loss to cover all of yesterday's recent lows? Yeah, I mean, it would most definitely, but this is the structure. I mean, this is the structure low. The reason that I place my stop losses below, the London session low is simple, and that's a good question. You know, um, the reason that this is my structure low is because there has been already a draw on liquidity here and an imbalance play right there. So there was a draw on liquidity here and an imbalance play. And here's the draw on liquidity, boom, and that's the imbalance play before the move. So if price breaks with this low, right, I don't want to be long anymore. So that was a good question. You are sending GBP to crypto, dear. Shit, I'm sorry. Yeah, ABOB always has my back. I like him. Yeah, he always has my back. You know. God damn it. Thank you, man. All right, so I'm gonna record the video for my VIPs. And then I'm going to look at the USD CAD, and yeah, let's wait for the open. You're welcome. Bimba. Bingo. All right, I'm going to record the video for the VIPs. All right, guys, how are you? So before going through this setup, I'm going to clarify why I haven't placed a trade, and why yesterday I didn't place a trade until the New York session. So it's quite simple. Just have a look at this, right? Have a look at this range, and all markets have been trading like this. On the bottom left of my screen is the US dollar, right? There was absolutely no setup, and on the bottom right of my screen is the Japanese yen. Absolutely no setup. So why would I want to trade and place trades on these choppy markets, right? It makes absolutely no sense. So now that I have a setup, I'm going to share it with you, right? Let's have a look at the pound yen. Here it is on the pound yen. So, like I said before, there was absolutely no setup, right? But now there is one. The setup is complete. Now I'm going to trade the pullback. So, if you notice, the Asian session showed us the last sweep of the lows right here. And then, if we look at this high, which is the next lower high, I had to wait until those highs were broken with to have my market structure shift, right? So I wasn't going to place a trade here during this. Then, as expected, well, not as expected, because I didn't know that this was going to happen. But the market could, in fact, just continue lower. That's why you don't place trades until you have this market structure shift. Now, the high probability of price going higher is higher than the probability of price going lower, right? This is the setup. And as always, there's a big imbalance left for me to trade on a liquidity sweep. And for a long continuation, targeting this, this highs right here on the 50-minute chart. So a cool 3R trade for us, and yeah, I'll keep you posted. All right, sending this to my VIPs. All right. And um, my thought process on the pound yen. All right, sent. There you go. Now, the market is about to open. Let's have a look at some. Now, this is not hot. This is green. I have taken a, well, not taken a trade, but most definitely will. Yeah, looking at the S&P 500. Uh, uh, um, where is the love? All right, play connecting. Player refreshed. All right, good. So here it is, the S&P 500. You know, after big moves like this, there's absolutely nothing to do but wait for the next the next New York session. So nothing here on the S&P 500. I'm not trading gold, as I said. Euro USD. Actually, today my plays are on the Japanese yen. Most likely will be on the Japanese yen and Japanese yen only. Uh-huh. And the best Japanese yen setup is on the pound yen. Big, beautiful setup. Now, the market just opened, and is there like a US? All right. USD CAD. Someone wanted me to look at the USD CAD. Yeah, I mean, I see no setup at all. Nothing. I mean, just the one on the pound yen, and that's it. All right, I need to take this sweater off because it's quite hot. Player refreshed. Alexa, camera on. So what's up? Have any questions? What do you have for me? Any questions? Any questions at all? If you don't have any questions, I'll look out. Since um, there's nothing really going on. Riskcalculator.com. App. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes for. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes to if you have any questions. I my allergies are acting up. I no. Hey, Pedro. Pedro Cuaresma. ¿Cómo está? Pues, papá. ¿Cómo está usted? Pues, mijo. Can you tell me what you mean when you say sell stop on the trading group? Yes, I can tell you. Most definitely can tell you that. So, in the MT5, you have 6 different orders, right? When you click here, and you put pending order, I know this is in Spanish, but I'll translate. This is a pending order, and then you have the type of pending orders, right? The type of pending orders are buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. Buy stop limit and sell stop limit. The last two, don't even pay attention to them. Buy limit is the ones that I use. The limit orders are the ones that I use. Whenever you see a stop order, that is not me, right? That is not me. But it's simple, Pedro. I'm gonna go to TradingView to explain this. It's simple, Pedro. Let's say that you want to trade this market, right? And you want to go long, so it's a buy order, right? Stop orders are placed. Buy stops are placed above current price. So when price rallies, it triggers your pending order, right? When limit orders are or buy limits are placed below current price. So that means that price needs to go lower in order to trigger you before going long. And it's the same for sell limit and buy limit, all right? How long have you been trading for, champ? A long time, mate, a long time. Long fucking time. Um, yeah, but these are very choppy. I mean, these are very, 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 very Christmassy markets. Shit, just have a look at this absolute garbage of a market. Gold going higher, of course. Not trading gold today like I told ya. I told ya. US 30, my nemesis. USD CAD, US oil. Yeah, I mean, super choppy.
Equities, Apple shares hitting a record high, last up 6%.
Oh, let's have a look at the Nasdaq then. Yeah, super choppy, choppy as fuck. So, yeah, I mean, I don't rush into choppy markets. I'm gonna most definitely wait for this. Pound yen long to get triggered, but that's it. I have absolutely nothing going on. Sometimes, this is December markets. Yeah, most people just don't trade. I mean, it doesn't matter. Uh, um, uh, oh my God. I don't know. I'm a dog lover. I just love them. And I don't know why I follow. I'm on Instagram right now just waiting for you to answer my questions. I don't, to ask me questions. Yeah. I don't know why I follow, accounts that show, the before and after dog's face when they're adopted. It breaks my heart. Oh, it's so cute, the puppies, the puppies.
Equities, Tesla investors are deeply concerned about conflict in Sweden.
Tesla
Tesla has received a
investors.
letter from about 15 Nordic institutional investors. The investor group represents a combined $1 trillion of assets, and they request a meeting with the car maker early next year.
So go ahead, man. I already told you. I already showed you everything that I'm looking at. There's nothing. I'm still here just to answer your questions. But if you don't have any questions, I'll just log out. And like I told you, I'm on Instagram, just watching reels. Yeah. No, ahorita voy a terminar. Ajá. Ajá. All right, no questions. Then I'm logging out. Thank you for joining me. Bye.